Hey, this is Dan with the Quick Macro. I'm going to show you how you can reuse mouse clicks. We're building a wall here with the studs, and we create our first mate by clicking on this surface and this surface, which puts our studs up. I like that, so I'm going to click on the reuse parent, which will reuse our first click. This makes another mate, and it's waiting for another click. And as you can see, those are pretty well done. Next, we need to turn off the reuse parent. We can click on this one to put the studs up against there. It looks good to me. Click on reuse parent. As you click on each stud, it will be put into place. There's our studs. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.